Lipoline is a safe, non-invasive ultrasound technology that gently restores the healthy structure of fat tissue rather than breaking it down aggressively. Lipoline technology uses 1 MHz ultrasound, proven to be one of the safest and most effective frequencies for reducing localized fat deposits. Ultrasound waves are delivered through a handle or fixed plates directly to the fat deposits, generating micromechanical vibrations that loosen the adhesion between fat cells. This process breaks down the fibrous structure and reduces the nodular appearance of cellulite, leading to smoother, firmer skin texture. As ultrasound energy is absorbed by fat tissue, it transforms into heat, which stimulates blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. Ultrasound waves produce tiny bubbles on and within fat cells, which expand and implode, creating a shockwave effect that disrupts the cell membrane. The triglycerides and water contained in fat cells are released into the intracellular space, which are then drained through the lymphatic and circulatory system. With Lipoline, fat reduction is more than just volume loss. It's a highly effective, non-invasive alternative to liposuction and lipolytic injections that actively restores the health and function of adipose tissue while effectively improving skin texture.